Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm up 46 grand on the day, all by launching my own meme coins. So all I do is I launch coins using launch tokens.fun and I make profits. But now it's time to do a live example and show y'all exactly how to do it yourself. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I am on the PC on launchtokens.fun. But first of all, let me make you understand something, okay? If I go to my meme scope right here and I click on a random coin, just look at the chart, okay? The coin just got rug pulled to complete zero from a $100,000 market cap. Now, you might think that everyone in this trade lost their money. Yes, that might be true, but there's one person who made a shit ton of money by doing this. And it's actually the guy behind the coin who launched it. So all he did was he launched a coin, he waited for buyers to kick in the coin and buy it, and after that, he basically just removed the liquidity and he robbed thousands of dollars off this one meme coin launch. And believe it or not, I make thousands of dollars every single day just by doing this strategy over and over again and launching coins on launchtokens.fun repeatedly, and you can just make basically infinite profits whenever you want. As you can see, one coin launched, boom, bang, to zero. A second coin, bang, launch to complete zero from $100,000 in market cap. Boom, completely rugged to zero. This one, boom, it got rugged. As you can see, a bunch of examples, and this one that was launched by someone else, not me. And yeah, so all we did was we went to launchtokens.fun, which is the only official website that works to launch your own coins. Okay, you could either create it here. So for example, boom, I take a screenshot of a random thing like this, boom, save as image, boom, random name, random there, boom. After that, you put the image, then do next. Tokens, decimals, keep it to 9. Total supply, keep it to 1 billion. Token description, boom. Next, you would just do the following steps. Then do create coin. After that, your coin would be created instantly. Just go inside your Phantom wallet. The second option is actually to steal narratives and just copy them, then make some money off of it. So for example, come to the copy coins feature right here, and a bunch of coins will pop up. So all these coins right here, they're all filtered out on Pump.Fun using launchtokens.fun, okay? And they're all the best coins that will make you some money. So all you have to do is create coin right here, and you could basically duplicate the coin. After that, you would create the liquidity pool and then remove the liquidity pool, and you would be up a couple of $1,000s or just a couple $100s, So yeah, bro, it's that simple. If you want to see me make a coin, launch it, and make some money, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, bro. Bye.